Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign into the App Store your Apple ID or password is incorrect. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and whenever you try to update any app, you find a message that you have to sign into your App Store or your Apple ID password is incorrect. So let's see how can you fix that. So here you can see whenever I'm going to update my app, here I am facing the issue that I have to sign into my App Store. So, but I have already logged in with an account. So let's see how can you fix this issue if you're seeing this page. So you can see there's my different account, but the account which it's recommend to enter password, it's a different account. So basically it happens when you have added a new Apple ID in your iPhone, but your app was installed on your older Apple ID. So let's see how can you fix that. So you have to enter the password of this Apple ID. If you don't know about that password, you just have to go back from here and you have to delete the app. For example, there was ChatGPT, so I'm going to uninstall it. And once you have uninstalled the app, you just have to go to your App Store again and retry or reinstall this app. So once you have reinstalled the app, you will not get the issue again on your iPhone or any iPad. You just have to enter the password of your current Apple ID here, or you can also use your Face ID here to purchase. And once you have done, you can see that the app is now installing. So in this way, you can easily fix your App Store issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.